In this video, I will guide you through how to permanently delete your Roblox account. Before you delete your account, you should know once a Roblox account is permanently deleted, it cannot be recovered. To delete your account permanently, open your Roblox app and go to this More option. Now from here, go to this Settings option. Now tap on Privacy and Content Restriction. Now go to Account Deactivation and Deletion. If you want a break, you can deactivate your account from here. To delete permanently, tap on Initiate. Then again tap on Initiate option. Here under the Account Deletion section, tap on this option. Now fill up this form with your account information. Here select your device. In the category section, select I want to delete my account. In this box, again select I want to delete my account. Now type some reasons about your deletion. Tap on Continue. Solve this puzzle. After confirmation, Roblox will start the deletion process. Your account will be permanently deleted after 30 days if you do not log in again. Logging in during this time will cancel the deletion. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you.